Hello guys, welcome to my channel Recharge 5 My Best. Today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best outdoor pillows in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Pillow Perfect Outdoor / Indoor Carmody Navy Tufted Seat Cushions, Round Back, 2 Count, Pack of 1. Blue. The bold white geo pattern of Carmody Navy Blue is striking in any living space. Instantly update chairs, chaise loungers, benches, and swings with this modern print. Carmody Navy Blue was created to be paired with a number of other Pillow Perfect patterns and solids and is available in a variety of pillow / cushion shapes and sizes on. For more than 30 years, Pillow Perfect has been designing and manufacturing decorative pillows and outdoor furniture cushions for the largest online and brick-and-mortar retailers in the United States. We have always been focused on providing the highest level of quality, service, and style, and our talented in-house creative team is constantly watching design and color trends, ensuring that we are always ahead of the curve. Founded by current CEO / owner Paul and his brother David in 1989, Pillow Perfect products have always been proudly made in the USA, and our Woodstock, GA facility is truly where the magic happens. Number 4. Quality Outdoor Living 29BG23 SB All-Weather Patio Chair, Deep Seat and Back Cushion, 23x26, Beige. Quality Outdoor Living's deep seating chair cushion consists of a 2-piece set. The bottom cushion is 26 inches long, making it an ideal option for deep-seated chairs. Its 4-inch thick seat is stuffed with a polyurethane foam pad to provide superior comfort and support. The 6.5-inch back cushion is equally plush and comfortable to rest against. Made of olefin fabric, which is both UV and water resistant, these cushions hold up well to the elements. Since water pills on the fabric, rather than seeping into it, the cushions dry quickly and maintain their color over time. Quality Outdoor Living's cushions come in an excellent selection of colors and patterns. With over 30 options to choose from, including striped, solid, and floral patterns, you can find the best match for your backyard space. The cushions are also available in 3 sizes and best suited for square seats. Number 3. Honeycomb Outdoor Beryl Pacific Blue Chaise Lounge Cushion. Recycled fiber fill, weather-resistant, reversible, comfortable, and stylish patio cushion. 22.5 WX70 LX 3.5T. Looking to add some extra comfort and style to your outdoor lounge chair? Check out these durable cushions from Honeycomb. It's made with tough olefin fabric and features a 3.5-inch thick polyester fiber, filling that's soft and supportive. Eco-conscious shoppers will also love this pick, as the cushions have polyester fiber fill made from recycled plastic bottles. Like many of the cushions on this list, these can also handle even the harshest weather conditions without losing their vibrant appearance. The olefin fabric is UV resistant and water repellent, so you don't have to worry about fading, stains, or mildew. Cleaning is a breeze. All you need is a cloth, soap, and warm water. Overall, the Honeycomb Chaise Lounge Cushion is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance the comfort and style of their lounge chair. Number 2. Quality Outdoor Living 29NV46 LV29NV02 LV Loveseat Cushion, 46x26, Navy. Upgrade your outdoor retreat with the Quality Outdoor Living Universal Deep Seat Loveseat Cushion Set. Designed to fit most outdoor loveseats, these replacement patio cushions are made with water and UV-resistant outdoor performance fabric and supportive foam, ensuring long-lasting comfort and durability. The single-seat cushion provides a cohesive look and reduces the need for constant adjustments, while the high-loft polyfill back cushions offer a plush and supportive feel. The low-maintenance fabric is quick to dry and soft to the touch, making it perfect for outdoor use season after season. Proudly made in the USA with US and imported parts, these cushions are an essential addition to your patio furniture collection. Number 1. Pillow Perfect Pompeii Solid Indoor / Outdoor Wicker Patio Sofa / Swing Cushion, Weather and Fade Resistant, 18x45, Red. Now get even richer texture and elegant style. We've enhanced Pompeii Red with a new highly textured fabric that is sure to get compliments all season long. Relax in style and comfort on this weather and UV-resistant outdoor bench cushion with ties. Infused with a solid red pattern, this outdoor bench cushion includes a new and improved polyester fiber filling, which offers an even cushier feel and greater durability.